What's up, momshies and friends? Welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, we are going to continue our walking tour in Hamburg City, but this time, specifically in the harbor area or Hafencity. But first, let's have a quick lunch here at Casa Ricardo, a Spanish restaurant. In Rambachstrasse, you will find different international cuisine restaurants like Spanish, Portuguese, Greek, and many more. So for today, we choose a Spanish restaurant. Here in Ricardo, their gambas is to die for.
Kami siya. Look at this. Paa siya ng baboy. Siniserve nila ng ganyan.
After our sumptuous lunch in Ricardo, we head back to the main street to get some delicious overtop donuts from Donut Man for our dessert.
Yan, ito yung mga naglalaki ng cruise ship. Super daming tao here. Dito tayo sa Harbor. Hamburg. Harbor. Daming tao. Look at that escape room on board. Wow.
The Hafencity or Harbor City is a district in Hamburg-Mitte of the free and Hanseatic City. It is completely surrounded by rivers and canals and has a total area of around 2.2 square kilometers. In the narrow sense, Hafencity is the project name for the approximately 157-hectare area on the Grosser Grasbrook, which used to belong to the Freeport. Up to the beginning of the 2030s, residential units for up to 14,000 people, up to 3,000 hotel rooms, and jobs for up to 45,000 people, primarily in the office and the service sector, are to be built on the site. In addition, up to 10,000 pupils and students, as well as around 50,000 customers and tourists per day are calculated, so that after completion, over 120,000 people should live in the district every day. It is currently one of the largest inner city urban development projects in Europe.
There's no blocks here.
unusually long queue to get in. So we're gonna skip this. But we went here last time on top and it's free, but you need to get your ticket and queue first. So we're just going back, making a round tour, going back to our car, to the park, queue park house. From the Elbphilharmonie, we walk across the street, followed the Am Kaiser Kai Street, and turned left to the Magellan Terrassen for the perfect view of the orchestra. Ang ganda ng neighborhood dito. Look at their terrace or balcony. Isn't it beautiful? The buildings are just neutral color. So, ang ganda talaga ng vibe dito sa Hamburg City. More on bricks and neutral colors. These are just regular apartments. And right there is the Elbphilharmonie building. Then we headed to Kabelsteg Bridge and St. Catherine's Church towards the Altstadt. Before we knew it, we were back to the St. Peter Church with beautiful ground lights on your right. And finally, we're back to the Altstadt and to Q Park. That was a long walk indeed, but as usual, time well spent and a great way to exercise. Up next, let me tour you around Sanssouci Castle and Park and the new castle. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!